Okay, so we're coming to the end of our final cleanup and flush down. What we need to do inside the Y manifold or the pickup manifold, there's a filter. So we want to turn the yellow valve off. So we don't, there shouldn't be any fluid in anyway because we've got an airlock. We just want to crack that. That just needs to be just firm. It doesn't need to be super tight. And then just put a waste container underneath. Okay, we just unscrew it. And that's just a bit of fluid coming out. Now we can just put that there on the ground. Now the filter. Okay, so this is the filter. You can see obviously it's a much coarser filter than we get in the guns. But all it needs is just a brush out with some acetone. Once again, just put it up to the sun, make sure that it's all clean. Then really that's it. So we just want to wash any acetone, any ISO that's on the thread, because if you don't wash the ISO off, it'll crystallise, and then you'll have to use a heat gun to actually heat it up. So when you go to put it back together, the filter just sits inside. Some grease. You can be quite generous with the grease. Then just with the rag, we want to just clean out any rubbish, any fluid, any ISO that might be on the threads. Then basically we screw that back in. Now you may sometimes need to give that a good brush and a good clean out with blow it with some air. But if you're doing this regularly, you shouldn't have that many dramas. And if you're putting in clean, good product, you shouldn't have too many problems either. So just give that a bit of a wipe. Don't forget, turn the tap on. Okay, so now we're basically ready for the poly lube.